A seat in the U.S. House of Representatives to present and defend East Texas tonight. District number 1 is open for the first time in almost 20 years. It's going to be filled by a brand new person.
It will be one of these two men. The race is between Smith County Judge Nathaniel Moran, who is projected to win, and his Democrat challenger Jamar Jefferson. And at this moment, obviously, Moran is way ahead of Jefferson.
And so pretty much I don't think anyone has projected any victory here, but we are, because it's obvious to say that Mr. Moran's going to cruise into victory. We're now joined by the Republican candidate for Texas' 1st Congressional District, current Smith County Judge Nathaniel Moran. He's at a watch party tonight in downtown Taunton, joined by his friends and loved ones and other candidates as well.
Now, Mr. Moran, thank you so much for taking the time to join us. First off, with the current projection showing you way in the lead at this time, how does that make you feel tonight?
Well, Katie, it's a pleasure to be with you guys tonight. Thank you. I'm so excited about the lead that we're seeing already. I know the numbers aren't final, but you know, this really validates what we've heard across the district, that Texans and Americans are ready for a change in their government, ready to see a reverse of the course that we've seen the last 2 years.
When you go to D.C. from East Texas to be sworn in and everything else, what's the first thing you want to accomplish?
Neil, the two major issues that we've heard several times across Congressional District 1 happen to be the recession in the economy, number 1, and then border security. Those by far are the top 2 issues that people want us to address in Congress. I think with the red wave you're seeing across America tonight, you're going to see those addressed first thing out of the box come January 3rd once we take office. We need to secure our borders. We need to limit government spending, rein in this recession, and get Americans back on a footing where they belong.
And what has helped you prepare for the outcome leading up to tonight?
Katie, I tell you, being a county judge here in Smith County has been a privilege the last 6 years, and it really has prepared me to go to Congress, because as you study the role of the county judge, what you find out, there's very little positional authority. It's really persuasive authority. You have to lead with good ideas, consensus building, relationship building, but learning how to stand firm and tough for your principles. Those are the same things that translate to getting things done and being effective in Congress. You got to build that consensus, but you got to lead with good ideas, and we as Republicans are known for being the party of ideas.
Let me ask you one more time, Mr. Moran. You talked about the red wave coming tonight. Is it wavy enough for you so far? So pretty much it looks like, are you where you're happy where you want to be? I know you won, but have the Republicans gained enough seats tonight in the House to really do what you want to do?
Well, Neil, I only caught about half that question, but you know what we're seeing tonight really is across America, folks saying we need a different direction in what we've seen in governance over the past couple of years. We need government out of our lives. We need less spending from government at the federal level. We need to have more local control. We need really democracy to be from the ground up instead of from the top down. That's the way it was intended, and so that's what you're going to see these next 2 years is, from a legislative standpoint, the Republicans leading with great ideas, great proposals in law that meet with Americans' real needs, that hit their back pocket, that bring us energy independence, that bring us lower inflation, stop that recessionary spending, and then get us back to a place where we are, in fact, leading across the world.
Has your opponent called you to succeed yet?
Sorry, you're going to have to say it again, Dan.
Called yet to say to concede?
I haven't heard from my opponent tonight, but you know anybody that jumps in a race or that attempts to serve the public, that's really what this is about, is opportunities to serve. That's why I got in the races. I want to serve the 17 counties in East Texas and make up Congressional District 1. So anybody that's willing to put their hat in the ring needs to be applauded, because it's about that conversation on ideas and determining which candidate then marries best with the folks that are voting for them. And here in East Texas, Faith, Family, and Freedom is leading the way. And I think that's why I'm going to be elected tonight.
So thank you very much for your valuable time. We'll talk to you again later on tonight, I hope.